Hello, I'm Srilata, Chief Dietitian, Medicover Hospitals, Madhapur. Today we are going to talk about hair fall and significance of vitamin B7 biotin. Biotin is otherwise called as vitamin H or B7. It is not a very commonly known vitamin, but it has an excellent role in nail and hair growth. There are many studies which have proven this. So biotin especially is recommended when patients have hair fall, and there are studies which suggest that biotin vitamin helps in production or synthesis of keratin. Keratin is a protein which is really important for your nail and hair growth. So hence it has a simple role to play that it enhances the hair growth. So biotin is found in whole grains, legumes, pulses, nuts, oil seeds, as well as in some sort of seafoods. So to some extent, we also find them in egg yolk and very little amounts in trace elements, in the form of trace elements in green leafy vegetables. So biotin especially acts like a cofactor for many metabolic actions. It helps in glucose production, amino acid metabolism, fatty acid synthesis, and multiple functions biotin has in our daily life. So when patients have biotin deficiency, they may have lethargy, weakness, they may have hair fall or dullness, malaise. All these symptoms are seen. So if we substitute them with good amounts of biotin recommendation or the upper limit is around 30 micrograms per day. In Western population, it is around 75 micrograms per day, but we can go up to 500 micrograms when biotin is supplemented in the form of tablets. So patients who have severe hair fall are recommended with biotin supplementation has proven that their hair fall is lowered and the hair growth is improved. So biotin may be deficit by inheritance, that is a congenital defect or a birth defect, or it can be an acquired deficiency which is pretty less or very rare kind of vitamin deficiency. Usually this acquired vitamin B7 deficiency is seen in people who depend upon white raw eggs. People who take large amounts of raw white eggs, it has an anti-nutritional factor called as avidin, which will hinder the absorption of biotin or B7. So ideally we have to take eggs in the form of boiled. Again, egg yolk is an excellent source of biotin. So patients who suffer from hair fall should include a balanced diet, that is in terms of whole grain cereals, millets, pulses, legumes, nuts, green leafy vegetables, eggs. These will make them to get adequate amounts of biotin. Apart from that, if the hair fall is too much or the growth is not adequate, they can see a dermatologist for recommendation of B7 or biotin supplementation. So when we take a balanced diet and take proper hair precaution, consistently use a good quality of shampoos, have soft water hair wash and stress-free life, take a balanced diet, if required supplementation of biotin will allow us to have a very good hair.